What is CBG, short for Cannabigerol? This is a phytocannabinoid, cannabinoid compound, that is found in the female hemp plant. This can sometimes seem confusing and hard to pronunciate at times with all the big names. All you need to know is that CBG is another compound found in the marijuana plant, just like CBD, THC, and about 110 other compounds. Are you wondering, how is CBG made? CBG is made by a natural growth process in the plant when it's about 6 weeks to 8 weeks in the flowering cycle of a female plant, which then must be cut down. The CBG levels are at the highest point before it changes into another cannabinoid compound, which would be CBD, and then THC. With all that said, CBG binds directly with the CB1 and CB2 receptors that do enhance the pleasure part and alleviate the pain in your body. This sometimes can affect your sleep and appetite. Learn the 5 astonishing facts about CBD and CBG combined inside. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up, dive in and discover more on what these well-known resources and scientists said about CBG helping reduce tumor cells in your body. My Great Vapes is dedicated to finding you the right answers. If you enjoyed the videos, please hit the subscribe button or the like button. Check out any of our other videos. If you want to know more on something, put it in the comment section.